The Scots Care Fund is a COVID relief fund for students on campus. The Scots Care Fund can help subsidize things like personal finance, mental health resources, technology, medicine, and groceries on campus. I think the Scots Care Fund is so important because it came about by recognizing that students needed financial help. So the Scots Care Fund is our way of showing Scots that they're cared for and they're supported at Monmouth College.
As a part of the senior class gift committee for the class of 2021, we decided this year to contribute to the Scots Care Fund. Part of the senior class gift is all about leaving your legacy, and we feel like helping and supporting both the mental and physical health of students here at Monmouth is a great way to do that. We were super excited when we heard about the project, and we really think that it's going to make a difference, and we're excited to be a part of that.
When you are giving to the Scots Care Fund, you are gifting students the opportunities to be successful on campus. You are helping them get the necessary resources to be academically successful. Because Scots help Scots, we recognize that we are a community, a strong community, and nothing can take us down.